Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A53 Plus, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down in order to find the security. Let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down again to find encryption and credentials, and as you can see, almost at the very bottom of this list we've got the option we're looking for, so simply tap on clear credentials and confirm it with OK. Not only we've got this option, but also not only we had this information, but also this option is inactive, which simply means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.